In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply in Excel using formulas. Excel is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, and understanding how to perform basic calculations like multiplication can significantly enhance your data handling skills. Whether you're doing financial analysis, managing inventory, or just trying to make sense of your monthly expenses, knowing how to multiply in Excel can come in very handy. First off, we need to access Excel. If you haven't already installed Excel on your device, don't worry. Microsoft offers a free version of Excel online, which is incredibly easy to use and accessible from anywhere. To get started, simply go to the Microsoft 365 free online site. Here you'll find Excel alongside other free online versions of Microsoft's popular programs like Word and PowerPoint. Once you arrive on the site, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, it's very easy to set one up. Click on Sign In and you'll be prompted to type in your email. Input your email address, click Next, and follow the steps to either sign in or set up a new account. The process is straightforward and secure, ensuring that your data remains safe while you use Microsoft services. Now that you're signed in, let's dive into how to actually multiply numbers in Excel. For our demonstration, we will use an example to make it easier to follow along. Imagine you have a list of items with their respective quantities and price per unit, and you want to calculate the total cost for each item. This is a perfect scenario for using multiplication in Excel. After opening Excel, start by clicking on an empty cell where you want the result of the multiplication to appear. For our example, let's say we have the quantity of an item in cell B2 and the price per unit in cell C2. To multiply these two cells, you will use the formula B2 asterisk C2. Here's how to do it. Click on the cell where you want the total cost to appear, then type in to tell Excel that you're about to enter a formula. After the equal sign, open your parenthesis, select the first cell you want to multiply or type B2, then type asterisk, which is the symbol for multiplication in Excel formulas. Continue by selecting the second cell you wish to multiply or simply typing C2, then close your parenthesis. It should look like this, B2 asterisk C2. After you've entered your formula, press enter. Excel will perform the multiplication using the values in the specified cells and display the result in the cell where you entered the formula. If you've done everything correctly, you should now see the total cost for that item based on its quantity and price per unit. One of the beauties of Excel is the ability to copy this formula to other cells. If you have a list of items in column B and their corresponding prices per unit in column C, you can simply drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell, down to fill in the formula for the remaining items. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, making it effortless to perform multiple multiplications at once. Keep in mind that this process works the same way in both the online and desktop versions of Excel. While the online version might have some limitations compared to the desktop version, for most basic and intermediate users, it provides all the necessary functionalities, including performing calculations like multiplication. To recap, today we've learned how to access the free version of Excel Online, sign into our Microsoft account, and multiply two numbers using a simple formula. We also covered how to apply this formula across multiple rows to calculate totals for a list of items. Remember, practicing these steps will not only help you become more proficient in Excel, but also enhance your overall data management skills. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're handling complex data sets or managing personal finances, mastering Excel's multiplication function is a useful skill that will surely come in handy. Keep practicing and don't forget to explore more functionalities within Excel to further your expertise.